Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to create your own custom light pattern for your GARMIN Varia RearVue 820. To do it, in the Varia app, click on three dots in the top right corner, then go to Devices and click on your device. Now go to Light Mode, and you can find 5 different default ones. You can click on Edit and create your own one by clicking on plus. Then you can set the light pattern to either solid and set the brightness. You can set 100, for example, or down to 10%. Or you could add flash, and then you could do the brightness and the duration of that flash. So I'll do it. I'll do like 80%, and then duration of like let's do half a second. And you can see now it changes to flashes, so that there's a 10% brightness flash, 2%, 80% brightness flash, and so on. Then I could add another one, like at let's say 50, at a duration of 280. I think so. Can I? Yeah, I can. Okay, great. Then let's add another flash. Again, you could also add 0%, for example, for a second. Yeah, let's do something like that, and then it'll start repeating. So now once I save it, I could now see this is what it'll look like. So that's how you can create a light pattern. Then you would need to enable it by clicking on plus. You could edit or rename it. You could rearrange it in the cycle, so that when you switch between the light modes with the button, it will be in a different place in the cycle. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.